Hey, what's going on guys? It's Amir, and in this video I want to talk to you about how I style my hair as someone who is balding, thinning, and someone who is, I guess, waiting for their results to come in from their hair transplant in the meantime, and how I decide to make the most of the hair that I have now, as well as make it look fuller and thicker than it is, especially when I'm going out to parties, events, hanging out with friends, and still trying to look my best with the hair that I currently have. And so that way, if you're in the similar shoes, you can go ahead and take something away from this video, so I can show you exactly how you should be able to style your hair regardless of thinning and losing hair, how you can make the best of your situation with the hair that you currently have. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we get started, you're gonna definitely need some products. So here are the products that I use. So before I even apply any sort of hair product, I go ahead and use Rogaine minoxidil. This not only helps stimulate blood circulation in the area before I go ahead and apply any of my styling products, it also acts as a great pre-styler, allowing me to have a good amount of volume in my hair and give my hair a good base to start from, especially when I go ahead and apply the product, so it gives me a good, nice and volumized look. The second thing you're gonna need obviously is going to be a pomade. I do have the Timecodes Flux pomade. Unfortunately, this is discontinued on the website, but we might be bringing it back in the next few months, so I'll be sure to let you guys know if we do. But I'll link a similar product to the Timecodes Flux pomade in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and pick something up similar. The main takeaway from this product is going to be a medium hold and a medium shine paraben free product, so it's not going to harm your hair, and it's going to be able to still give you a nice look that is also water soluble without having to clog up your hair pores and being too harsh on your hair. So that's mainly the main goal and takeaway of this hair product. And then the third thing you're going to need is going to be a nice comb. I like to use this open-headed half comb. This is really nice as opposed to a traditional closed teeth comb, because a closed teeth one, it gives you a lot of strain on your hair. These open-ended bristles are very nice because they're very easy to work through your hair without pulling or straining onto your hair. And also because it's open, when it's combined with product and whatnot, it gives you a good amount of volume that you can work with, which results in you having a fuller and thicker look to your hair. The last thing you're going to need is some sort of concealer or hair fiber. The one that we're using today is going to be called Thick Fiber. Thick Fiber is the sponsor of today's video, and I'm going to show you why this is probably one of the best concealers that I've used, and it's going to be a cornerstone to helping you achieve thicker, fuller hair and a nice hairstyle. And I've been using hair fibers for the past few years, and again, is a very big key player in helping me achieve that fuller and thicker look when it comes to styling my hair. Before I even style my hair, I want to lay out a few things. One, I always get a low fade, a 1 low fade or a 0 low fade. The reason why is because I like to go ahead and take all the attention away from the fact that I'm balding. I want to bring that lower and take all of this hair out on the side. Doing that and buzzing your hair from the side already gives the hair on top a lot more attention and giving that illusion of a fuller look than it actually is. The earlier that you are in the stage of your hair loss, the better that this will work. So until your results come in from either your transplant or you starting to use Rogaine and whatnot, you can go ahead and apply this method to, again, still give your hair a fuller and thicker appearance at least. And the second thing that is extremely important is that you start off with a clean slate, meaning that you have your hair washed. There's no prior product, oil, gunk, any sort of dirt, debris inside of your hair, because obviously that's going to go ahead and throw off the entire hairstyle, and your hair is not going to be able to fully comprehend in the direction that you want it to go and stay in. So that's why it's important for you to wash your hair and start off with a clean slate. So now that we have a clean slate and hopefully you have a good hairstyle and a nice fade for it, let's go ahead and get started. So I go ahead and start by applying Rogaine. I go ahead and shake it up. I do have the foam. I prefer the foam over the liquid. The liquid is just annoying and it's itchy. The foam is nice, very manageable, and I can just apply that. So I just take a little bit just like that, and I apply it in the back of my area right here on my crown, just like that. Okay, and then next thing I do is I apply some right here under my temples. Same thing on my temples right here. And then I just take even my temples and I just work it in just like that. So I have a little bit, and then I just apply some in the middle right here, just like that. Nothing too crazy. That's it. And As this foam dries up in like 30 seconds or so, I already feel my hair getting a nice volumized look. So if I'm ever in a hurry, I'll just, you know, like in a really big hurry, I'll just take my brush, literally comb it like this and literally run out the door. But for now, we're doing the full style. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the hair product, the pomade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to the palm of my hand first. So I just take like a pea size, just like that. Apply that to my palm, just like that. And then I'm just gonna work it in. And I'm just gonna emulsify the product and warm it up. That's how you know it's activated and ready. As soon as the product disappears in your hand, like that, you know it's ready to be applied. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from the back and start working the product into my hair, just like that. Down first. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply upwards, just like that. Perfect. Just using my fingertips, I kind of just give my hair a good direction on where I need it to go. And already, as you can see, we're looking pretty hot. And this right here is usually my go-to style. Now to top it off and to conceal the hair loss, we're gonna go ahead and use some hair fibers. The one that we're using today is gonna be by Thick Fiber. The reason why I love hair fibers is because it's kind of like makeup for your hair. So if you're not blessed with the best look, or if you're waiting around from your results from your transplants, or you are waiting around from your results from Rogaine or Finasteride, or you're simply losing hair and you want to hide it, this will do it for you in a matter of seconds. And I'll show you how in a little bit. It has an anti-itch and anti-wind formula, as well as being sweat resistant. So if you have an active lifestyle, or you're constantly on the road, or you're constantly going to the gym or working out, you don't have to worry about it coming down or draining down like most other hair fibers. This one is built for the everyday man. They do have these in multiple colors, so if black is not your hair, you can get brown, blonde, gray, black, whatever your hair color is. They have something that will exactly match your hair color, so it's not gonna look off shade or something like weird or crazy on your hair. So let me show you how it works and how quickly and easily we can go ahead and conceal our hair loss and make our hair look fuller and thicker. So there's mainly two ways that you can apply this. One is obviously directly through the original applicator right here, or you can purchase this additional targeted applicator, which I absolutely love because it helps you get inside of these tight corners right here, as well as right here and whatnot. And when it comes to bigger areas like my crown, I can just go ahead and apply that. So let's go ahead and apply this to my crown first, since this is like probably the biggest area. I don't have a bathroom, I don't have a mirror in this office, so right now the best that we can do is going to be through my phone. So I'm gonna try my best to see what I can do, and let's go ahead and try to apply this, and I will show you how we can apply this over here as well. So take this just like that and kind of guesstimate, and boom, look, our hair loss right here mainly is concealed. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cap off up on top and use the applicator to give us a nice full thick hairline. Let me get a little closer. So usually it comes with this tip right here, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in just like that, and then I'm just going to apply it. Let me put this focus on for you guys right here, just like that. I'm going to show you exactly, look how easy this is to do. Just spray this in right there, just like that. Spray that in, spray that bad boy in right here. Just like that. There we go. And do the same thing on the other side. Again, just kind of working it just like that. And then I'm gonna put some right here as well, just for some added density and thickness. And just like that, boom, just look how full and thick my hair absolutely looks. This gets me super stoked because this is how my hair is gonna look once my hair grows up from the transplant. And right now, just for me to be able to do this and have this kind of look just in a matter of seconds is absolutely mind-blowing. Now I'm gonna take my comb and just simply go ahead and just brush it just like that, just so everything blends in. And again, all I'm doing with my brush, I'm just picking up my hair, I'm just placing it. So, and what this is doing right now is just basically giving it a nice volumized thick look. So just like that, and that's it, we're done. And let me show you just the full results, just like that. And boom, you can barely even see that I'm losing hair. If I walked up to you at the party, if I walked up to you at any venue, I just said, hey, what's up, my name is Amir, you're not even gonna be able to tell that I'm losing hair. And on top of that, my hair looks freaking amazing. If you wanna go ahead and take it a step further and hold this hair in place as is. You can go ahead and apply a hairspray, but I'm not a big fan of hairspray because I don't like to clog up my hair or do anything that goes against the grain of natural looking hair, and I don't like to get too many products. That's why I even use this light hold pomade, and I don't want to put too much unnecessary and unnatural amount of strain onto my hair. Again, if you do and you want to, you know, have it held in place without having it worry about it falling out of shape, you can, but that's just something I personally don't prefer doing. And again, this right here is it, and I'm very absolutely content with how my hair looks now. And the key player that ultimately helped me achieve this look is thick fiber right here. So if you want to go ahead and pick up some thick fiber for yourself to achieve fuller and thicker hair in a matter of seconds, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. It is in Amazon US, UK, and India, so you can go ahead and pick it up if you're in those regions. And I would highly recommend also getting the spray applicator, as this makes it very easy to target these small corner areas and again help you achieve that fuller look without getting it all over your forehead and areas that you don't want it. So again, if you're interested in getting some thick fiber for yourself, click the link in the description below and pick it up. So yeah guys, this is basically how I achieve fuller and thicker hair. This is my secret, this is my hack if you want to call it. When I'm filming any of my videos, I obviously don't do any of this because I want to show you guys my natural look and I share my hair loss and hair transplant journey with you guys. But when I'm off camera and I'm out at a party, going to events, meeting up with friends, this is my normal hairstyle and hair growth regimen if you want to call it, to maximize the way that my hair looks, as well as putting in any of these additional things such as Rogaine to help me further enhance hair growth and prevent hair loss in the near future. So if you guys did enjoy this video or found some good idea, inspiration, or creativity, whatever it is for your hair, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you have any questions regarding your hair, let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.